So today is one of those days where I don't know what to do. I'm in Sakata, Japan today. Diamond Princess behind. Group of samurais taking photos. And it's, one of those days where you don't know what to do. But thankfully at every Japanese port there's always this place. Like an information counter over here. And they'll tell you everything you need to know. They'll give you maps, they have English translation, you can exchange money and all that kind of stuff. So, follow me along and let's see where this takes me. Let's go! There's just so much to do just at the port here. It's amazing. There are a lot of fun activities. You see, let me tell you my problem that I face when I'm vlogging alone. It's that you saw the crowd earlier on, right? There's a lot of people. Wouldn't it be amazing if I did some magic for them? And I know I'm gonna get good reactions, right? But what am I gonna do? Like, walk up to somebody and ask them, "Hi, would you like to hold a camera and help me film a TikTok?" Right? I don't speak the language. Okay, some of them do speak English, but it's just very awkward for me, right? Like, do you understand what I mean? I would love to do some magic for these people and, let them experience some magic, get their reactions. You'll make a fantastic video. What do I do now? Do I just really go out to someone and go, "Hi, do you mind filming this magic video for me? To give me this weird look magic?" Let me get food first so that I can think better. Alright, see you in a bit. So I've been aimlessly walking around looking for a ramen shop. Like, I didn't want to just turn on my maps and all that. Just want to explore the place a little bit. Couldn't find anything. Thought I was smart, I just assumed that, there'll be ramen place popping around this area and stuff. It's like 13 degrees right now, and nice bowl of ramen would be nice, huh? So yeah, I'm heading back to the information center, and this time round I'll ask them, "Hi, is there any ramen shop?" So apparently
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up, baby?
No, thank you.
Right.
I'm going to have.
拍照，
Okay,
他要拍
新加坡人，
可以。
不是我要拍，他要拍。
来，一起来。
Going. Together.
Too bad I need
No problem. No problem.
Smile. Wait. It's a space.
Okay, say hi to my camera. Yeah.
the greatest magician。
Thank you. So, as I was saying, we're at the tourist information center, and because I was too smart, I didn't look at the maps or anything like that, just wanted to explore a little bit. There's a ramen shop just... So yeah, time for ramen. Let's go! That was the perfect Sakata meal. It was cold here. Ramen, the soup, the broth, the meat, the noodles, the never-ending noodles. Like, I just kept eating, it would never end. I even got a little small gift from the owner. Pretty cool. And it was only 850 yen, which is around 850 Singapore dollars or 6 USD. I would love to do some magic for these people and, let them experience some magic, get their reactions, you'll make a fantastic video. Am I going to approach these people and do some magic for them? I don't know. It's really hard for me, like seriously, it's really hard. You have no idea how afraid. I don't know if it's a symptom of some kind, I don't know. Maybe I just don't like to trouble people, but I just feel like doing it as well, right? So let's do it. Hello.
Hello.
I have a favor to ask.
Yes.
So let me introduce myself. I am a magician from Singapore.
Magician.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I make TikTok videos. TikTok videos performing magic and all that kind of thing. So I was thinking if I can do some magic for you guys.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yes?
I would
Yes?
appreciate
but
that.
I need somebody to film for me.
Oh, Bill. Oh
Just
yeah.
hold the camera. It's okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Oh, okay. Thank you so much. It's already recording. Okay, good. Anyone you like, take one. Write your name. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, you can see?
Okay.
Yes, good. 6 of spades. I'll take the card, leave it in the middle like this. Yeah? It's not on top. Yeah? Like this. See? One more time. More ikai. Yeah, in the middle, like
Yeah,
this.
in the middle.
Yeah. See? Okay. One more time. This time round, see? I will leave it sticking out so you can see. Yes.
Okay,
Here. Help me.
Me?
Push it in.
入れたね。入れたね。おう。
Oh.
あれ消えた。あれ
Thank you. One last time.
Okay.
6 of spades. Yes. The camera. I will fold the card like this.
Okay.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Yes. Now watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And this is a little gift for you. Thank you very much. For you. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Cameraman, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sorry, can I ask your name on TikTok?
Jeremy Tan Magic.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Jeremy Tan Magic.
Ye-
Yeah, I got followers from
Yay.
Japan. Yeah.
それそれ。
Yeah.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Anyway, I'm just really glad that I overcome my fear and did it. I think it was also, motivation of not wanting to disappoint you in some sense, but at the same time, you guys, the comments that I've been receiving from my recent vlogs have really inspired me to be more natural in front of the camera and, be myself. So, thank you so much, you guys. Heading back to the ship now. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.